We will be a work of art.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be learning how to make and add a YouTube end screen. So if you want to learn how to do that, by the end of this video, you know how to do it. So first thing you want to do is download your background. Now I just found a random background I liked. So I downloaded it from Safari. So you could download the background from wherever you would like. I just like Safari because it's the easiest for me. Or you could just try the Beat or Hard app and then find some Tumblr backgrounds or something. And also now you want to search up Snapchat icon PNG, and then also download that if you would like. If you want a different icon or social media icon, you could search up that, like Instagram icon PNG, like I am right now to show you an example. Or you could do Facebook icon PNG, just whatever social media icon you would like. You want to download that and then go to Phonto, press the camera, press plain images, press the black square, press the numbers up top, press custom, and then change the image size to 1280 by 720. And then press the icon on the right and press use. Then you want to press the icon on the right again and then press save image. It should say save successfully. And then you want to press add image. First press the 3 lines, then add image, and then change the size so the new background can fully fit the screen. And then press the icon again, the right icon, and then press save. Then press the camera, press reset, press the camera again, press photo albums, load up the new background that you just saved, and then press add text, and then write thank you for watching. Now you can change this to whichever font you want, but I'm picking the first font I see. And there we go. That's our font. So now we're going to size it up to make sure it fits in that little square we're working with, or else the viewer will not see anything after that square. And now you can just play around with the app. You could make it whichever color you want. You could space it out a little bit. But I require a very, very dark color that people can see, because it is very small on their screen, which is normal for most people because they watch YouTube videos on their phone. So I require it being very easy to be seen. Now you want to click on the 3 lines again, press add image, and then load up the black screen you saved, and then change the size to 180, the width to 180, and the height to 96. Now you want to move the square to a little bit in the middle, but to the right of this square. You don't want it right in the middle, but you don't want it too far left. Too far right. Just want it like kind of the way I have it right now. And then change the alpha to 0.81. Then you want to press the 3 lines again and press add item. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the circle with the little white line around it, and then you can change it to whichever size you want. I was debating on this size. I was just trying to see which size fits for me better, because I'm not sure how big the circle is, so I just changed it to whichever size works for me and what I feel like is the best size. So you could change it to whichever size. It could be the beginning, starting one, or you could just change yours. It doesn't matter. Then you want to press add text again, and then write subscribe. And you could change this font too to make it a little bit different. And I will also pick another font, and you could put it below or on top of that. And then you could add a little symbol, you could press add text and then press symbols, and you could find other symbols. So you could find like an up arrow, and you could like point to that or anything. And then you want to press the 3 lines again, and then you want to press add image, press the new, and then load up the new Snapchat icon that you saved before, or other social media icon. And then size it up to whichever size you feel comfortable with, and then press add text, and then write your social media name that you use for that. So this is not a real account, so please do not go follow this account. I don't know if it is a real account, but This is just, I don't know why I didn't put mine. I didn't feel like doing that at the time. But yeah, there you go. Great. Now you have your end screen. We're going to learn how to upload our end screen to the. So you want to go to iMovie and then add new movie. Then you want to press the movie and then kind of size it up so the viewer can see everything. Like press the movie and then pinch it out a little bit. And then press the movie again and then press keyburns enabled, and then it should disable that. And then it should say keyburns disabled. They want to press the thing again, and then use your your thumb and your second finger to pinch it out so the viewer can see everything. And then you want to stretch that out to about 20 seconds, which is how long your end slate should be. And then you want to press done, and then it should export your movie, and then it should save it to your camera roll. So first you want to search up youtube.com, and I require you doing this on a Chrome because it's easier to get on desktop, like a desktop view on Chrome. So install Chrome and then press the 3 little arrows and then press scroll down and then request desktop site. So press the icon, press YouTube Studio, and then press video manager. Go to the video you want to add an end slate to, and then press the video and click the video you want to edit. And let me say something. Wait, actually, press end screen, and then the video you want to put an end screen to, you want to have that 20-second video we just made. You want it to be at the end of the video. So press use template, and then have a template. Scroll down, see this template we have. And pick the one I picked, because if you follow this tutorial, you should have like the one I have, unless you switched it up. And then just switch the icon. So you can move around the icons however you like. So what I'm going to do is I switch them. So, well, I didn't switch them. Never mind. But you could move the icon to the little squares to however you would like it to be. And then you want to press the pencil, and then press the pencil on the right, and then press the video you want to show on that little square, and that's the video that will show. I hope this was helpful. And then press save, and it should be saved to your video, and it will show an end slate. But anyways, guys, that was the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you guys want a specific video you want me to do, make sure to tell me down in the comments below. And I'll be sure to try and do that video for you guys. And I'll see you guys next week, Wednesday. Bye. Now that we have our banner... Why you keep calling it banner? It's an end screen, and you out here calling it banner. Nobody's about to call it banner, but you about to say, oh, it's a banner, it's a banner. And like, no, it's an end screen. It's a